Hello friends, and welcome back. So in this video we'll try to run this in different simulators. Okay, let's put the original original system back, so it's 100%. Remember, we start from 400 and 300 like that, and run it. Yeah, this is our original design idea. Okay, so now what if we run this in a smaller simulator? Let's see, like for example iPhone 8, 8 plus or 8. Okay, so iPhone 8 plus. Yeah, let's try this. It looks like that. So there are two problems to solve, right? One is the background. You see the yellow view, right? So it doesn't fit. It's too big. Okay, so this one we can use the system provided auto layout. Okay, so let's go to main storyboard here. Yeah, how can we make the yellow part automatically fit? So with that, select, click this icon here, very small, you see here. Okay, so let's hide this part, and we can click that to hide that one. So yeah, this guy here, this guy. Okay, so with the yellow, the yellow, make sure the yellow view, our pulley view here, selected. So now click this one. We can, you see, because when we created it, we use the blue guidelines. So now it shows 20 here. So we can click this bar, or bin. So it means we'll set the margin between this edge and our view, the top of our view, 20 and 20, top, left and right. So we don't set the bottom one, and we can select the aspect ratio to make sure it's 1:1. Okay, add. Now you see the aspect ratio here is not 1:1. It means it's not perfect square. Let's change it. We can double click that and select this to 1:1. Yeah, now it'll be perfect square. We can run it to see. You see, here is a perfect square, right? Perfect square. Now where is our slider? Okay, let's handle that. Now we can set let's move this up, to meet the guideline here. Okay, so now same thing, click here. So this time we'll set, it says standard, standard is actually 8 point, but yeah, so just accept the default standard distance. Okay, now left 20, right 22. Let's set it 20. Yeah, 20. Okay, so that's it. We don't need to set its height or its button, because it will stick to the top view. Okay, at 3 constraints. Now let's try it, run it. Yeah, it's here, right? You see, the only thing, now we can go back to handle. Okay, so yeah, before we move on, let's check what it looks like, what it looks like on the other simulator. our favorite 9.7 inch to make sure everything is good. Yes, you see, everything is good, right? Perfect. Okay, now we can go back to our code of pulley view. So say our design is based on the size of this one, right? So whatever it is, it means if we want to keep the proportion, right? So we can use like the size of this view, right, as the base. So now let's print out its value. Okay, so print here like bounds. Yeah, let's see. It will be 700 something, I guess. Yeah, 300. No, sorry about that. 728 by 728. Okay, so now because our design is based on this, right? So how to calculate if we use a different screen size? The formula will be so percentage, right, equals what? The current bounds dot like width, right, divided by 728, right? So if the width is half of the size, right, it means we need 50%. Does it make sense? Okay, so we need to change this to y, because now we are calculate its value. The first thing we right before we draw anything. Now, so if this one is 728, right, then the percentage is 1. That's what we need. Okay, so run it, nothing will change. But okay, cool. Now let's switch to the iPhone 8 Plus. What? Oh, we need to adjust this guy. Yeah, so the next thing we need to change is this guy and this guy. Now it cannot be constant, right? Table view x equals this one 400 times percentage, and this one. Now think about that. This is fun, right? There's some mathematics behind the scene. Yeah, right? Click. Cool, right? So that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.